Hey guys, this is Justin here today at Gorilla Trailer located in Middle Tennessee. Today we're bringing you a 6.4 by 12 single axle utility trailer. All of our trailers are going to come standard with Dexter axles. This model will have a 3,500 pound axle. This trailer will come powder coated. We'll also have 2x8 A grade pressure treated wood for the floor. The axles do carry a 5-year warranty. Up in the front, you will have a 3-inch C-channel wraparound tongue. Goes all the way back to the axle. You also have a 5,000 pound 2-inch ball A-frame coupler. You will also have a 3,000 pound ram jack. All of our jacks do come recessed. That is standard on all of our trailers. This trailer will have chain hooks. This is for you to hang your chain up whenever the trailer is not being used. The design for the trailer is going to be 3x2 angle iron, 3/16 thick. This trailer will be sitting on 24-inch centers. All of our lighting will be Optronics lighting. It does carry a lifetime warranty. Up here on the front, you are going to have your first piece of lighting. It's going to be a yellow marker light. It's also going to be the same on that side. On the driver and passenger side, you will have DOT tape. It will also be in the rear. You will see our heavy duty diamond plate fenders. This does come standard on all of our trailers. All of our trailers will also come standard with radial tires. This trailer will have a 15-inch wheel and a black painted rim. Behind the fender, on the driver's side, you will have a red marker light in your license plate holder. On the other side, you'll just have a red marker light. Back here in the rear, you're going to have another red marker light. It will be the same on the other side. This trailer will have a reinforced gate. It will also be a dovetail. There is an option for a straight tail. Dovetails allow for lower clearance items such as mowers and motorcycles to be loaded and unloaded easier. In the center, you will see the 3 marker light. You will also see our real nice long LED tail lights. All of our trailers are going to come standard with these easy pull latches. Super simple, super durable. This trailer will have a D-ring in each corner, making a total of 4. Now we're going to take you around here and show you the spare tire mount. Right here is your spare tire mount. This will come standard on all of our trailers. If you would like any more information on this trailer or any of our others, please check our website at www.gorillatrailer.com or give us a call. My name is Justin. The number is going to be 615-318-0743.